this video, we will show you how to use the features of Nobi Pos solution to effectively manage sales, track bills of lading, and control inventory. How will Nobi Pos help in your online business? Reduce the rate of return for online merchants. On the same platform, synchronize multi-channel product inventories. Tracking in great detail, with a single trip report. This video will show you how to use the Nobi Pos function after logging into the Nobi software. Installing Nobi Pos features. Purchase orders customers. In-store sales. Delivery cross-checking contract. Quotation. Cash book. Carry out operations with Nobi Pos detailed features. Purchase orders card. Make an invoice when clients place orders through channels. You enter the order information into Nobi to subtract inventory and manage revenue, profit, and loss. Order fulfillment. Fulfilling the customer's order. Following the successful placement of an order, you must proceed through the steps of confirmation, packing, collection, shipping, completion to complete the order. To collect pay for the shipping companies on orders with delivery, you must complete an additional order reconciliation step. Refund. If a customer purchases and receives products and then returns them, you must complete the refund operation and process the refund. Cancellation. You can cancel orders that have not been successfully delivered. No income is recorded for cancelled orders. Order modification. The Nobi system includes an edit order function that allows you to edit order information, add goods, adjust quantities, and add notes to orders. This functionality is only available for orders that have not been delivered successfully. Order management. This is a function that allows you to manage your order list, understand which order information is delivered to the carrier, how the shipment is handled, and keep track of your debts with each customer. A detailed order list with smart filters will allow you to simply track the details of your order status, payment status, and the amount clients must pay for the order. Manage the status of your orders with ease. You can quickly track which orders are dispatched to which shipping unit, who the shipper is, and search up orders to respond to consumers as necessary. Nobi allows you to manage each shipping partner in detail, as well as track the total number of orders shipped to each partner and the amount of debt owing. If the customer returns the items, the system provides a function that processes the returned goods in order to update the inventory. Website. When you click on the Website tab, you will be able to access the menu on the right-hand side. Delete, edit, tag, search, work as usual, telesales. On this tab, leads will be shown. You can delete, filter, and track right on the interface. Facebook. Connect to Facebook to manipulate. Customer card. Add a new customer. Method 1. Add new customers to the system. Method 2. Import an Excel file to add new customers. Step 1. From the customer list interface, select Import File. Step 2. Download the sample file for comparison if necessary. Step 3. Insert the file into the system. Step 4. Select the Upload option. Update customer information. Step 1. To the right of the customer interface, click the three-dot button. Step 2. Select Edit. Step 3. Enter the information that needs to be corrected. Step 4. Select Update. Remove the customer. Step 1. To the right of the customer, click the three-dot button. Step 2. Select Delete. Step 3. Select Agree. Details about the customer. View and edit customer information, as well as any marketing campaigns for customers and promotional codes provided to them. Export customers' files. You can save or serve relevant work by exporting the customer list to an Excel file. Choose Export File from the list of customers. Please follow these steps to export the customer list file from the customer list management interface. Step 1. Select the Export File option. Step 2. To export the file, select the list. Step 3. Choose the file you want to export. Step 4. Select the location for the file to be saved. Step 5. To conclude, click Save. Change your customer base. Nobi has a customer group transfer function that allows users to move one or more customers at the same time to another group in an efficient and time-saving manner. To transfer customer groups, please follow these steps in the Customer List Management interface. Step 1. Select the customer to whom you want to move the group by checking the box next to the customer's name. Step 2. Select Transfer Group from the drop-down menu. The form for entering group transfer information is presented. Step 3. Determine which group the customer should be sent to. Step 4. Select Update. Other functions include changing lead, the person in charge, changing branch, sharing branch, and so on. Check the customer's purchase history. Customer's purchasing power should be monitored, and a preferred pricing policy tailored to each consumer should be implemented. In-store sales card. Create a sales order before you can select a payment option or print the order. You must first create a sales order in the shop. Step 1. Click the Setup button to open the setup form. Step 2. Select a coupon type. Alternatively, you can create a vote in the form by clicking on the sign, then displaying the form and filling it out. Step 3. Choose an application form. Step 4. Press the Save button. Make a new order. To add new sales orders to the shop after you've set up sales as described above, please follow these steps. Step 1. Choose a product category. Step 2. Select the product that the customer will purchase. Step 3. To add an invoice, click. You can erase an invoice by clicking the Delete button. Step 4. Fill out the order form with your details. Step 5. Click the Save Ticket, Save and Print Coupon button. Shipping Control card shows information about orders that need to be checked with the shipping unit. Contract card. Create a new contract. To add a new contract to the contract management interface, please follow these steps. Step 1. Select Add Contract from the drop-down menu. Greater than the contract addition form is displayed. Step 2. Fill out the form with information, keeping in mind that fields marked with an asterisk are mandatory. Step 3. Select Add New from the drop-down menu. Update Contract. To change the contract on the contract list screen, please follow these steps. Step 1. Drag your mouse over the 3 dots to the right of the contract. Step 3. Fill up the form with the information that needs to be updated. Step 4. Select Update. Clear the contract. To delete a contract from the contract list screen, please follow these steps. Step 1. Hover your mouse over the 3 dots to the right of the contract. Step 2. Select Delete. Step 3. Select Agree. Contract Payment. To pay the pending contract, please follow these procedures on the contract list screen. Step 1. Drag your mouse over the 3 dots to the right of the contract. Step 2. Select Payment from the drop-down menu. The payment form is displayed. Step 3. Fill out the form with your details. Step 4. Press the Save button. Contract Details. To access contract details, click on the contract you want to view in the list of contracts. Contract information will be displayed. Contract Filtering. You can use the contract filtering tool built into the Nobi system to monitor and manage the desired contract. Customize the display list. You can use the Display Custom function to display specific fields. Contracts are listed in the following order. Step 1. Select Customize Display from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Tick the checkboxes next to the fields you wish to see. Greater than the fields you added are now visible in the list of contracts. You may also rearrange the fields by dragging and dropping them in the custom box. More points of view. Instead of needing to filter and search for contracts in a single view, Nobi allows users to create a new view to save the filtered results for easy tracking and modification. Step 1. Hover over the sign. Step 2. Press the Save button. Greater than more views are displayed in the forum. Step 3. Type in the name of the new view. Step 4. Press the Save button. Remove views. To delete a view, go to the freshly generated view and click the Delete button. Quotation card. Insert a new quote. To add a new quotation to the quote management screen, Please follow these steps. Step 1. Select Add New from the drop-down menu. The quotation submission form is displayed. Step 2. Fill out the form with your details. Please keep in mind that areas marked with an asterisk are necessary. Cash book, card. The cash book assists you in managing the store's complete cash flow through revenue and expense transactions. Nobi will show you how to do the following in the cash book management section: Add, Edit, Delete. Create and manage gift vouchers. Create and manage gift vouchers. I recently instructed you on how to use and fully utilize the capabilities of Nobi Pos. If you have any questions, please contact the fan page, email, online, or hotline.